Where are we?
Santa Ana Port!
Where are we?
Santa Ana Port!
Pharmacy, pharmacy, we're on our way to the island garden city of Samal. We're not too dumb and we're not too smart, but if we work together, we got the right stuff. Go Pharmacy! Yay! Come on, vamonos! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get do it. I know that we can do it.
Where are we going?
Angel Cove.
Where are we going?
Coral Garden.
Where are we going?
Baba Santa. Yay!
Habang kami ay naglalakad at nagmumuni-muni, may nakanakaw ng aming pansin na isa palang hermit crab.
Ding! Do you know that hermit crab belongs to phylum Arthropoda? The purpose of its shell is for defense mechanism and it undergoes the process of calcification. Calcium carbonate is deposited on its cuticle to harden its shell.
Our first stopover is at Coral Garden, which houses many corals.
Bing! Do you know that corals aren't plants? They are animals. The white stone-like things on the shore are coral skeleton. They are not the actual thing you know.
Habang lumalangoy, nakakita naman kami ng starfish.
Bing! Alam niyo ba na ang starfish ay napapabilang sa phylum Echinodermata?
Hindi!
Their tube-like feet structures draw the food to their mouth.
Really?
And Yes, and since they have undeveloped anus and small intestine, they tend to eliminate their waste through their mouth. Yucky, isn't it?
Kaya nga kader-der lang.
After lunch at Babu Santa, when our classmates are enjoying the peace of clear water, we saw a dead eel.
As in,
Yes, and because of our curiosity, we examined its body.
Guess what? It belongs to the kingdom Animalia. Saltwater fishes secrete concentrated ions because they are hyperosmotic than their environment. They have gills for breathing underwater.
going back home,
Nakakita kami ng School of Life Fish. And at the same time, we're hoping to see a dolphin having an exhibition.
But sad to say, we haven't got a chance to watch them.
Diretso na lang. Isang kahoy na malay na.
Hope you are enjoying the theater documentary film.
Gagas, start na yan. Start na.
We are